Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers, I welcome you to an enlightening review presented by myself, John Waite. Join me on an intriguing exploration of the world of internet marketing. Your presence here today is highly valued, and I am honored to have you with me. Are you ready to catapult your income to extraordinary heights, reaching an impressive $10,000 per month? I urge you to click on the first link in the description and gain access to the transformative 100K Alliance, a community that thrives on excellence. Now, let us delve into this compelling review, where I present not just one or two, but an impressive array of 4 exceptional bonuses that will undoubtedly captivate your attention. Our first bonus provides a gateway to a vast network of 250,000 engaged email subscribers, replenishing your list each and every Friday. I offer precise guidance and reveal valuable strategies to effectively tap into this valuable resource. Additionally, I present a self-hosted autoresponder solution, allowing you to optimize your email marketing capabilities without incurring exorbitant expenses. Witness the power of these invaluable tools as you propel your email marketing endeavors to unprecedented levels of success. However, the excitement does not end there. Prepare to be enthralled by our second bonus, a remarkable traffic method that resonates within the marketing landscape, even in the ever-evolving year of 2023. Experience an influx of targeted traffic flooding your offers, blogs, and websites, igniting exponential growth and amplifying your online presence. Embrace this transformative opportunity and become a driving force in your industry. But that is not all. Our third bonus unlocks the potential within the realm of YouTube. I am delighted to share strategies that will position your videos at the pinnacle of search results, enabling you to garner substantial views, engagement, and a loyal subscriber base. Embrace this chance to solidify your presence on one of the most influential platforms, propelling your brand to unprecedented levels of recognition and success. Last but certainly not least, our fourth bonus offers an exclusive chance to promote Empire, a premium product crafted by my esteemed mentor. By aligning yourself with this flagship offering, you'll seize the opportunity to earn a compelling 100% commission throughout the entire sales funnel. Embrace the prestige and financial rewards that accompany the promotion of this exceptional product. Now, esteemed guests, the time has come to embrace the limitless possibilities that await, but allow me to offer a gentle reminder. The path to success begins with a single click. Follow the first link in the description to join the ranks of the 100K Alliance, a reputable haven for aspiring achievers. And if you are eager to obtain the product under scrutiny, do not hesitate. Click on the second link to embark on an unparalleled journey of growth and enlightenment. Secure your seatbelts, dear viewers, as we engage in a thrilling expedition toward prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you for your presence, and I eagerly anticipate our shared pursuit of excellence.
Introducing Googenie, the all-in-one SEO suite that makes it easy to improve your website's visibility in search engines. Boost your rankings, attract more traffic, and grow your business. Our SEO tool analyzes your website and provides you with a detailed report. The tool identifies the main problems that need to be fixed to improve your website's visibility. Additionally, you can track your keywords and competitors, enabling you to track your website's performance and make necessary adjustments. We also offer a step-by-step guide that shows you how to implement the required changes. Our tool is designed to be user-friendly while being incredibly powerful with AI features. By using our SEO tool, your website's ranking will skyrocket, attracting thousands of potential customers. Googenie also includes additional features that can help you optimize your SEO. You can activate these features at any time. Super fast hosting. Improve your search engine rankings with our blazing fast hosting. WordPress Kit. Boost your WordPress site speed with the server-side cache plugin. Website Builder. Create a lightning-fast website with our easy-to-use website builder. Simple e-commerce. Sell your products online with our SEO-friendly e-commerce platform. Marketing automation. Be ready for massive traffic growth with the best platform. Business software. Handle any business challenge with our software collection. Googenie. SEO made magic.